everyone. Thank you so much for being here today. This is Anandita from Tarot Arc. Thank you so much for the comments. They really keep me going. So I'm back with another reading for you all. This is a pick a card reading to tell you what September 15th to 30th has in store for you. The middle of September. It's a general reading and I've made 3 piles here. This is pile number 1 with the Rider-Waite Tarot deck and I've used the amethyst crystal on top. This is pile number 2, the Art of Tarot deck with the green jade. And this is pile number 3, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck with the rose quartz crystal on top. So please take your time, think about your situations and choose your pile. Also, these are general readings, so please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. Everything may or may not agree to your situation. And I've mentioned the timestamps in the description below. So I'll see you at your pile. So let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 1, the Rider-Waite Tarot deck. 15th September to 30th September, what's coming to you? So people who've chosen pile number 1, I see you really working hard on any situation that you are in. And also this hard work or the feeling that what others are really thinking about you, or the feeling that, that feeling that maybe your results are coming very slowly is making you a little anxious, is making you a little stressed at this point in time in the current scenario. And the next 15 days, I definitely see that your hard work is, doubling up. You're working more, towards whatever the situation is. And because of that, there might be a feeling of extra burden. There might be a feeling of exhaustion because it's going to be a little demanding 15 days, the 15th September to the 30th September. It's a very demanding, it's a very challenging period for people who've chosen pile number 1. And you might have to take a few decisions. You might have to choose between various options. Also, for some of you, there might be some kind of confusions, some quarrel, some argument with somebody. It's a temporary phase, but with you giving in too much energy. Also, for some of you, like I said, your hard work, you are working very hard, but the results might be coming slow. So you might feel that your results are not up to the mark, or you had expected too much out of this situation and the result hasn't been up to the mark. But towards the end of the week, things will end of this month, things will start getting balanced for you. Things will get in control. Maybe some of you you might want to just divert the focus for a while, because you might feel that nothing is really coming out of the hard work, or nothing is really coming of this situation. So why put in so much energy? I'm already feeling so drained out, so I'll just give it a back seat. That's completely fine. The month end definitely promises you balance and satisfaction, and yes, divine blessings, divine intervention. So yes, you do your best, you're putting in your hard work. Rest, leave everything to the Almighty for your situation. Some of you, like I said, might be feeling overburdened or feeling very, that extra responsibility because of your hard work. Maybe it's the responsibility for a second person also. But the end of the month definitely promises you that all your plans will be successful, or your hard work will bring you to a place where everything like you planned needs to just get executed, and things will be set for you on the stage. Things are going to be in control for people who've chosen this pile. These 15 days are a little stagnant. Also, please plan well. Do not just head on keep going towards this race, or unthinkingly, or without any plans, just keep rushing into this situation. Please hold on, take a back, take a, be a little calm, plan for yourself, then start this procedure all over again for people who've chosen pile number 1. But yes, new beginnings, new developments, hopes, opportunities are definitely on the cards. Your wait for a new tomorrow, or those efforts that you have put in are definitely going to get the results, and positive results. Balance is definitely there on the cards. Also, for a lot of you, things like if you have applied for a job or an interview, or you're working for a project and you're feeling that you're not really getting anywhere, the situation is not really ending, or you're just going on and on head on, but the result is not coming. So the end of this month definitely promises you the results that you've been awaiting, the good news, or that closure that you've been wanting is definitely on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 1. Some of you might be feeling some issues in your personal relationships or friendships, some partnerships. You might have gone through a rough patch, or you are in a rough patch during this time in the on the relationship front. So yes, it is very clear from the cards that there is a closure to the relationship. Either it just finishes off, or something new in the relationship just blooms up. It is more like a climax to the relationship at this point in time, and these 15 days will actually show you where this relationship actually stands. So for some of you, it's just going to be the end of this one, and the climax will be there, and things will be just, you will be out of the relationship, and that's what was meant to be. That's what the best was for you, and a new beginning will be seen very soon. And for some of you, this rough patch will end, and the relationship will start blooming from a new chapter with the same person. From each, for each person, it's the individual thing, because these are general readings. So 18 days from now, a lot of positivity, and you coming out of this quarrel, this confusion, this argument, everything getting over. But yes, these 15 days are a little anxious and a little tough for people who've chosen pile number 1. Also, towards the end, I see partnerships, I see family life blooming, I see your relationships getting better. Success, small successes are on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 1. Celebration towards the end of this month is definitely there on the cards, people who've chosen this pile. So things definitely are coming under control, but right now, for the next few days, the feeling is more like walking away from the situation, or a lot of fighting, a lot of quarreling, might want to exit. So just keep pushing yourself for the next 15 days and see how the results just favor you. And then also, like I said in the beginning, that there will be divine intervention towards the end of the month. Things will be set for you, things will be planned by the universe. You will be set for your new beginnings in whatever situations you are in, and it's just going to be like letting go of the past and going ahead with the leap of faith towards your new tomorrow. Also, the mystical wisdom cards need you to seek clarity, which I already said in the beginning, that be clear on your goals, be clear on this situation. Do not just keep running into the situation head on without really having a plan, without really having a vision. Trust your intuition, trust your belief on whatever scenario you are right now in. You need to listen to your intuition, seek inner guidance, and that will help you. Also, you need to take steps towards the positive side. You need to battle the blues on your own, because these 15 days of this month, the middle of September, are bringing a little bit of stress, a little bit of negativity, and a little bit of anxiety for people who've chosen pile number 1, with promising results towards the end of the month. So you need to yourself take steps towards a positive change. You need to clear your mind, you need to be very hopeful, you need to seek positivity, and like the cards say, battle the blues on your own and see how things start changing for you. So that was for pile number 1. I hope the reading was resonant with you. Please leave in your comments and your feedback in the comments section. Also, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much once again. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 2. What does the second half of September bring to you? Second half of September 2020, 15th September to 30th September. What is it bringing to people who've chosen pile number 2? So people who've chosen pile number 2, even though you feel that things are under control, things are moving the way you have planned and you have really worked hard towards whatever your situation is, or you are quite determined. You do have the fire element in you, but there is a little bit of, things are going very slow, things are very dull. For a lot of you, there might be stagnancy. Maybe people who've chosen this pile for finances, there is a stagnancy in your finances at this point in time. So these 15 days, the next second half of the September 2020 is moving slow and steady, but with giving you results. Also, for some of you, there is, again, you need to go very slow. You need to understand that just by rushing into anything will not get you get you anywhere. There might be a, for especially relationships or people who are in partnerships or businesses, there might be some kind of a intrusion of a third person, or there might be a betrayal, a cheating, some kind of a misconception is there on the cards, and the result is that things that have really gone high are coming down with a bang. So you need to really understand that you cannot trust anybody in this time. You need to be very focused. The partnerships that you are in, or any new partnerships that you're forming, a new relationship that you're forming, has to be based on trust. You cannot just blindly trust this person right now at this point in time. Also, any partnerships, businesses which have money, finances involved in them, you need to be very careful. You need to take your steps very slowly, step with very you need to be very clear, you need to be very focused. Your eyes and ears have to be open. Do not take any decision on the basis of a second person or on hearsay. You need to be very confident about the person, about the situation, because there is some kind of a betrayal, some kind of a cheating on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 2. You might need some kind of help also. Some of you might need some kind of help in situations, like I said, your finances. Some of you might be feeling you need some kind of financial help. So please be very careful from whom you are taking this help. You will get the help, but just be careful that who all are involved in this situation. Also, towards the end of this month, your wait will be over. Your whatever is on your mind, whatever you lead to, these 15 days are giving you a little bit of stress, a little bit of anxiety. Things are coming down with a bang for a lot of you, but that's what's the best is in store for you. You will be knowing of exactly who's true to you and who's not. On the other fronts, on your basis of your career, on the basis of your work, otherwise your hard work will pay off towards the end of this month. Any new businesses, anything that you've put in, or whatever is on your mind in this situation, towards this end of the month, there is complete satisfaction, there is contentment. People who are planning to do new stuff, new partnerships, anything on those lines, relationships, if you are planning something, things will work for you, and you will be ready to just take the plunge. Listen to your intuition, follow your heart. Things will get under control. They are at the moment also, things are under control, but they are going very slow and steady. People who've chosen this pile mainly need to be aware of the people who are surrounding you. Be aware of who you are working with, who's in your relationship. Trust is the key. You should be just beware of any kind of cheating or misconception. Also, there's a reunion on the cards, meeting your soulmate, meeting your old friends, or a relationship that's going through a tough patch might start blooming. Maybe you have already witnessed some kind of a third party situation in your relationship. Some kind of a betrayal already has been there, and you have already seen that, and you are going in through this bad phase. So now towards the end of this month, you will see things might start getting better for you. You might take that decision of giving your person a second chance. Something new, some new beginnings for people who've chosen pile number 2 are definitely on the cards. And also, your confusions, your clutter will get cleared. You will be able to just surrender and leave things to the Almighty, because you will feel that whatever best you could do, you have done, and rest, just leave it to the Almighty for the universe to plan for you. But on the whole, by the time these 15 days get over, or towards the end of September, any clutter, any confusion, any glitches, anything that is, messy, it's just getting, chaos is getting cleared. Black is black, white is white, things get very sorted, balance comes into your life. And for those of you who are struggling, things just get better for you. Things definitely, the rough patches, the bad phase that you might have to go through in the initial middle half of September will just get cleared towards the end, and a new beginning is on the cards. Push yourself to just, cope up with the situation, because the end of this month definitely brings a lot of contentment. Things just happen on their own. They bring you a luck, comes onto your side. Fortune for a lot of you just comes out of nowhere, and you'll be very focused. Like I saw that there will be some confusions in the beginning, but by the end of it you will know, and you will be very clear in your mind that how the confusion is ending, what to do for the confusion to end, and things will be very settling. You will know that the situation is in my hand, it's my decision. People who've chosen this pile for finances, towards the end of the situation you'll be like, okay, this is what I have, I've been able to save this, or this is the chunk that I really was banking upon. Any of those situations are coming to definite positive solutions. And but the initial few, days of, from 15th onwards are bringing you stress and anxiety. So just try and cope up with that, and please do not trust anybody blindly. That's what the cards are saying. You might be in store for some kind of a betrayal or cheating or some dishonesty. That's what the cards are saying. A three-party situation has already started, or you might witness something. So you just have to be aware of those things, people who've chosen pile number 2. But definitely the end of this month is bringing you a lot of luck. It's a complete package towards the end of the month, whether it's relationships, whether it's work, wealth, health, anything on those lines. Things are getting definitely positive for you. Expect a powerful change coming your way. That's what the Moonology cards are also confirming, people who've chosen pile number 2. And like I said, a fiery climax is approaching. So whatever the situation is, it is bringing you solutions towards the end of this month, and your hard work that you're putting in will be paid off. So just cope up, just be there, do not lose hope, have faith in the Almighty, balance out your spirituality and your practicality. So like I said, when you leave things to the Almighty, you need to be spiritual, you need to, have faith, you need to ask for blessings, you need to pray, and luck is on your side. That's what the Moonology cards as well as the Art of Tarot deck has confirmed, that luck towards the end of this, month 2020, September 2020, luck is definitely on your side. So whatever is happening, whether right now it's troubling you, whether there will be a little bit of disturbances, but the result, the climax will be definitely for your best, for the best of your like, what should I say, like your, it's going to be the best will be there for your needs, or keeping your best interest in mind. The universe will plan things for you, and you will be really happy towards the end of this month. So I hope the reading was resonant with people who chose pile number 2. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much once again. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 3, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck. People who've chosen pile number 3, at present there is contentment, there is, the situation is under control, your whatever you have planned, things are going that way, you're working towards your goals, and your results are there in front of you. Things are working out for you. Your hard work, or whatever the situation is at the moment, might make you a little stressed or anxious, but for a very temporary phase. Maybe you work really hard, maybe you put in too much efforts, and that's what makes you little stressed and anxious. But on the whole, a very balanced time, these 15 days, very balanced. And you will be given your, whatever you ask for, whatever efforts you put in these, times, or you have already put in the efforts in the first few days of September, and now is the time that the results are coming. I'm sorry. So new beginnings are there on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 3. Also, you have done your work, and now it's the time for the universe to pay you off, and you need to just leave things on the Almighty, on the universe, because your tasks are done. You are at ease. You've done your best, and for a lot of you, I already see that sense of satisfaction and accomplishment on the card. Cards, it has already come, and the next 15 days are promising you peace, prosperity, love, good health, a balance of wealth, everything. And for some of you, you might just feel that okay, everything has been sorted, and a few things that are really not which have not been sorted or which are still lingering on, you might feel that you just have to leave them. That's the right time to ignore them, because they are under your control. You'll know that okay, this needs to be sorted out, but this is not the right time. I just need to relax. It's basically a time for you to just relax and bear the fruits of the labor that you have already put in. A beautiful time for people who have chosen this pile for family planning or for family relationships or family commitments. It is a beautiful time, and you can just go ahead with whatever your plans are towards your relationships, towards your family. Things are under control for you, whatever you have planned. It is a time wherein the stage is set for you. If you have planned a business, if you have planned a job change, you have already done your homework. Everything is set for you. The plan is made. You just need to execute the plans now. For people who've chosen pile number 3, people who are confused in relationships and have chosen pile number 3, you will be able to control the situation. You will know what is right, what is wrong, how the relationship needs to be. And you might be feeling some kind of a stress on the relationship front for some of you, but release that negativity, release that tension, release those emotions that you have pent up inside you. You haven't really got them out. You need to just relax, take those emotions out. Any feelings that you're facing, maybe some of you are feeling extremely burdened, extremely exhausted because you put in too much effort, especially on the relationship front. Be relaxed that there are new beginnings. There is a hope for people who've chosen pile number 3. The bad phases or the negative phase for people who've chosen this pile is definitely ending, and 15th to 30th September 2020 is a very positive phase for people who've chosen this pile. Help on any front. New partnerships are here to bloom. Relationships might take a new phase, a new level. They might progress to a new tomorrow, and contentment is on the cards. Like I said, control of the situation. You will be in control of your surroundings, of the situation, of the relationship, anything that is on your mind. And the confusions that you are in will just clear. You will yourself be guided. You will know what is correct, what is this, what is that, what is right, what is black, what is white. Everything will be set for you. Your intuition will guide you, whom to trust, whom not to trust. That is also, you will take very just decisions in this time. So anything that's on your mind, just take it out, release it, and ask yourself for guidance. Connect to your higher self, and small successes will keep guiding you, keep making you feel happy. And also, for some of you, like I said, the relationship is progressing. You might reach a new level. You might see some kind of commitment, some ceremonies on the cards for some of you, or a relationship that has gone through a rough patch in the past. You might just contact your person once again. Things might just get better. And people who've chosen pile number 3 for relationships, this is a wonderful time for you. So you need to just take that bold step towards your partner. If things are, if there's a little bit of rough patch or anything on those kind of things, just take that move. Call your person. Communication is the key. And like I said, releasing those emotions. You've just kept up a lot of emotions inside yourself. Maybe your person is also not coming out with their feelings, their true feelings. So just talk to each other, move further, and your person is here to stay. This is a beautiful time, beautiful pile for people who've chosen pile number 3. Your relationships are definitely here to bloom. And on the whole, this pile is a complete package. Like I said in the beginning, peace, prosperity, love, health, wealth, everything is sorted out in these 15 days. Hard work is paying off. The wait is over for people who've chosen this pile. So, your hard work that you've done in the past for the relationship, for your work, for anything, the stage is now set. So, now is the time to just cheer yourself up, pick up all the, pieces of your own self and assemble them once again for this new start that's coming. And finances are definitely here on a roll. Things are great. The struggle is now getting over. It's a very positive time. You yourself, because of your overburdened situation or your exhaustion, have might be feeling in a place of negativity at this point in time, or might be feeling that things haven't really worked out for you. Maybe in the past things have not worked out. Maybe you have already had a rough patch in the past. Relationships must have just gone down the drain. But now these 15 days are now the time to just grab all this positivity. All the surroundings around you are positive. And like I said in the previous cards, that you might have had a problem with your past relationship, or in this current relationship you're not on talking terms with your person. So now is the time. Release the negativity, remove all these emotions, talk to your person, communicate, and pick up the last pieces of this puzzle and bring it back again. Things are very positive for people who've chosen this pile for relationships as well as all other fields. Also, you will be just here to take that risk, take that plunge, and move ahead with your goals, with your plans, and with that feeling of not fearing the unknown, that what is going to happen tomorrow or what is in store for me. That feeling needs to just evade. You need to trust the universe, you need to trust the Almighty, as well as your intuition, and pursue your dreams and positively affirm them to be fulfilled. That's what the miracle cards are saying. Also, you need to be just away from negative people, negative surroundings, people who gossip. And like I said, you might be in a scenario wherein you have, because of your past, been in a negative environment or with negative people. So just distance yourself from this environment. Rest, everything is great for you. Your attitude just needs to take that tweak. Sudden fortunes and dramatic events are going to unfold. Self-realization, intuitions will dawn upon you. So remember that you are being blessed by the angels, and also you are protected from negative energies and evil eyes. So distance yourself from people who are negative. Learn to overcome anger. Pursue all your goals with compassion and persuasion rather than anger. Great spiritual growth is experienced for people who've chosen pile number 3. Also, remember that everything very positive needs to be around you, so that these angels are ready to take your wishes and grant you with these whatever you ask for. Also, good news will arrive very soon for people who've chosen pile number 3. On the whole, this is a very positive period for you, September 15th to 30th. So remove all the glitches and the past, anything negative coming from the past, any beliefs that you are carrying, any memories that you are carrying from the past, and move forward ahead with a new slate. And everything is very well written for people who've chosen pile number 3. So I hope the reading was beneficial for you, and it resonated with your situation. People who chose this pile, please leave in your comments and feedbacks in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be coming back with more such readings. Thank you so much once again. Stay tuned to my channel. Take care and stay safe.